How to add bank deposit payment method in Shopify Store. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to add the bank deposit payment method on Shopify Store. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Shopify website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you're going to do is you will need to go to the settings, of course, on the bottom left corner because you need to add payment methods. And right there, just click payments below users and permissions. And right there, as you can see, you can add a payment providers on your account and payment capture method if you want, and also PayPal and third-party payment methods. But we're not gonna go with this one because we need to add a bank deposit payment method. So in order to add a bank deposit payment method, we need to go to the manual payment methods. Right here, you can see it below the payment capture method. It says manual payment methods. Just click that, and as you can see, if I click that, this drop down menu will appear, and you will need to click bank deposit just like that. And as you can see, this window will appear, and right here, this is where you will input all of your bank deposit account details in order to the customers to see what they will input in order to pay their orders on your store. So as you can see, you will need to input your bank account name, of course, your bank account numbers, or if you have an IBANs, if the IBANs is required, you also need to input that. And that's all you can input in order to make transfer. I think that's all you need to that's all the requirements. And under that, it says payments instruction, right? So what you're going to input to that is the display that the customers will see after they make purchases or after they done the transaction. So you can add just like, thank you for purchasing if you want. And yeah, that's it. So after you input all of the datas that you want, or the infos you want to, the input, you can just click activate bank deposit method. And yeah, that's it. After you click that, this payment method will automatically be added as one of your payment method. And yeah, when your customers purchase something on your store, they can choose between with this payment methods, and they can choose deposit payment method. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add bank deposit payment method on Shopify. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.